Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow. I am so happy to be back with you guys. I know it's late, but this is my Witch's Roots box for May 2019. So excited to open. I am way behind on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything, because basically, for the most part, I tried to stay off of it. Uh-oh, my skin's itchy because my sunburn's starting to peel. Anyways, I tried to stay off of it. So let's check it out. Witch's Roots. It smells great. But it always does. Oh, it comes in this, at least mine comes in this little mailer. The Wisdom of Athena. Wow. I don't ever read that first, y'all know that. Oh my god, beautiful. Wow. 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 I love this. Wow. Absolutely lovely. So far, so magnificent. Oh wow. The art, guys. I love this box so much. It's so wonderful and yet completely different from Witch's Moon. Absolutely different feel. I can tell they're by the same people, but the feel is different. Okay, I've got a knife today because I broke something last time, or recently, when I was trying to open it, and I don't want to do that again. And then I just dropped it. Athena body oil. Looks like it has bay leaves in it. I don't know. That's a different smell. Probably a spew-it in here. Yep, there's just a little spew-it. There we go. Spew-it. You can tell that I am graceful. Here's my incense. Incense. Oh, lovely. It's pretty blue stone. Olive leaf. It's probably olive leaf then. It's probably olive leaf. I thought I saw bay leaf. It might be bay leaf. Might have some. Okay, now today I'm going to try to open you with this. Oops. And I'm still awkward. And I know I shouldn't cut towards myself, guys. I know there's moms out there being like, don't do that. I know. Pretty blue candle. And then, of course, pretty gems. Ooh. An owl. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a very lovely box. Let's check it out. During the course of spellcrafting and herbal discovery, we pull from the energy of those that have inspired us throughout our years. Those whom resemble the essence of bravery and wisdom, creating guidance for us along the more rugged paths of our journey. When we work with the goddess Athena, we are stricken by the pure conviction that accompanies her story. The tales of this warrior goddess are not strictly covered with victory and accomplishment, but are truly embraced by becoming the peacemaker and diplomat that is brought upon by true wisdom and guidance. As we connect to these energies, our confidence to succeed becomes concrete. Our passion for doing what is right becomes our brave endeavor throughout our story. The custom and hand-picked items within this collection were carefully brought together so that you may pull strength from the wisdom of Athena and the example of bravery she holds within. Olive leaf. Said to have originated approximately 6,000 to 7,000 years ago in the ancient regions of Persia and Mesopotamia, and have been widely used for a variety of health cures and I lost my place, I'm sorry, and symbolism. Cool. It's related to jasmine, lilacs, forsythia, and true ash. It's an evergreen shrub native to Asia, Africa, and the Mediterranean. Handmade Athena's Wisdom Altar Plaque. This one-of-a-kind handmade altar plaque was inspired by a local artist, A. Alden, along with the custom drawings on either side. We have spent many moons working to create these for the subscribers of The Witch's Roots and are thrilled to be able to share this energy with you. Placed on either side of this plaque is Athena in her true glory and the owl providing wisdom and guidance along your spiritual journey. Place this plaque near your altar or self-care ritual space to bring about the energy of strength, perseverance, and victory. I love this. Athena Ritual Body Oil with Dropper. This special blend has been created with fractionated coconut oil. We have created this ritual body oil with the intention of bringing strength and courage into your aura, allowing you to strongly exude a sense of confidence and understanding. It has, let's see, basil, almond, and green tea oil. In addition, we included olive and bay leaves. Okay, so that's right. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz. It also has a special mix of Victory, Affirmation Spell Candle, Spirit Owl Pewter Pendant with Cord. Hold on, baby. That's my puppies. Lapis Tumbled Stone, 5-pointed star incense sticks, and the olive herbal grimoire. I say grimoire. I know it's grimoire, but I feel like saying grimoire, and that's the way I like to say it. Book of Shadows artwork. Here's the paper. Always a winner. This box is always a winner. I love this box. 29 bucks and you get literally a box full of enchantment to your door. It is definitely just very valuable. It changes every month. There's a really cohesive theme. I learn a lot. It's very educational, and I think it's really good for any type of practitioner wanting to work with herbs or deity, or there's really a lot of different magics you can do here. You can do candle magic, clear space, body anointment. A lot of people do these together or do them after ritual bathing, however you want to do it. Herbal. I love the little altar plaque. I'm definitely going to use it, and they usually include some kind of adornment and a crystal. There's tons of stuff that you can do. Very nice. I like it a lot. This is The Witch's Roots, 29 bucks a month. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is May. The theme is olive. Every month is a different herbal type theme. Trees, herbs, flowers, etc. Plants. This is a really cool one. Check it out. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.